Hey everyone, Moni with Maidily, and I just wanted to go over our new pricing update for you. So what we've done is we've gone ahead and unlocked the ability for you to change pricing for each and every subscription type of service that we offer. So daily, weekly, bi-weekly, you now have the ability to change pricing for that specific type of subscription. We did that by including an extra field in there called base price, which is the same field you have under pricing. We defaulted the value here to match what you have set up under base price, under pricing for now. But when you do click into a subscription, you now have the ability to change it. So while it says $100 here, which is my actual base price to start with under pricing, I can now change this to, let's say, $90. And you'll see that the total net price at the bottom calculates based off of the value here. And what that includes is your per bedroom and per bathroom costs as well. So this basically gives you the pricing for a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom daily cleaning service. If you choose to add a discount, you can just plug in a number here and the total net price will auto-calculate based on that as well. If you click on save, all of these changes will be reflected throughout the entire software and also on your checkout page if you are using one of these on your website. So you see that the daily cleaning here is set to $116 with no discount because we didn't enter any discounts. So it's reflecting dynamically and immediately. It's very responsive. I'd love some feedback, and if you have any questions or concerns, just don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.